right, so welcome back. What I'm going to do now here is I'm just preheating a little bit of cooking oil, and I get asked a lot too what kind of oil I use. You know, based on my experience growing up in my dad's restaurant, we always used a soybean salad oil. And if you go to the market and you look at the label of a vegetable oil, it will say soybean oil. Now, you have to be careful too, because people might be allergic to soy. If you use peanut oil, people might be allergic to peanuts. So it's all personal preference. I like to find an oil that will hold up to the heat that I'm dealing with here. And that should be good enough. I'll just dial that heat down, and then we're going to make the transfer to this, my oil pan here. Just like that. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just give you a little explanation of what I got going on here. Again, here is the chicken stock that we made just a few minutes ago. I have the cornstarch and water mixture here. The slurry is what some folks like to call it. I have fresh chopped garlic, cooking wine, the Chinese rice wine. Here's our shrimp. These actually are 1620, so they're jumbo shrimp. I have some green onions cut into half-inch pieces, ginger, and then just a little bit of salt, white pepper, and that's all I'm going to use for the seasoning. And then we have our asparagus, which I'm going to blanch in the water. I'm just going to heat up some water, transfer them into this pan, and then put the hot water in it. And by the time I ready to saute it with the shrimp and all the ingredients, they'll be tender enough. And that's it. So I'm going to get busy. Watch this. Just bring this water up to a boil real quick. Put these veggies in this plate, and we'll just add some hot water to that pan. All right, so the water's up to temperature here. I'm just going to put this water into this pan. Boom. That's it. Try the walkout. Add our mushrooms and vegetables and the shrimp. A little bit of this chicken stock. A little bit of oil. Pinch of salt, splash of white pepper, And now what we're going to do is just thicken this up a little bit. Put a little bit of cornstarch in there. Crank up that heat. Just add just a little bit of oil around the edges. And then we can plate this. And here's your shrimp with asparagus and mushrooms.